For this example, we're actually going to graph f of x equals negative x squared plus 4x minus 4. We're going to use a graphing calculator. Even though you may not need to, I'm going to. Negative x squared plus 4x minus 4 graph. Now, once again, I could change the window scales. I'm not going to. I don't like to. I'm just going to try to match it up based on the choices here, and it's going to be this choice. This is going by 2s, 2, 4, 6, 8. These are going by 1s. Now the domain is how far left, how far right. So if you take this curve, it actually extends. It keeps on going forever. Even though it's going down, it's still going to the left. Well, how far left is it going to go? Forever. Call that negative infinity. And how far right will it go? Forever to positive infinity. So the domain is negative infinity to positive infinity. And that's it. The infinity is not included, so use parentheses. Now the range is the y values, and y values go down and up. So how far down is it going? And when you look at this graph as it goes down, you take it as a whole graph, and the whole thing is going down to negative infinity. Always go down to up. And how far up is it going? Well, what's the y value there? Like I said, it's the y value. The y value looks like it's going to the x-axis, and on the x-axis, the x values are going to be any x number, any number, but the y is going to be 0. That's a number symbol, by the way. Let me erase that. Let me erase that and draw that a little bit better. That's what I was trying to draw. So the highest y value is 0, and is it included? Yeah, it looks like it's touching it, so it's included. Now if you really want to see what that point is and you're not for sure, I'm going to show you what to do. There's all kinds of ways, but since this is a parabola, hopefully you've heard that word before, I'm going to go to second trace, which is the calculate key, and that's a maximum value. So I'm going to hit 4 for maximum. And that's for left bound and right bound. Left bound just means to go to the left of that point and hit enter, which this already is, so I'm just going to hit enter. On right bound, you can move it over. Using left and right arrow keys, only not up and down, only left and right. And once it goes past that maximum value, maximum point, we hit enter. And then just hit enter again. Where it says guess, just hit enter. And now, it does something strange, but I'm going to tell you what that is. Anytime you see a number like that, that's a 2. Looks like it's really close to 2 because it is. Anytime you see this negative 5.4 e to the negative 12, the e to the negative 12 is nothing but scientific notation, which means you're going to take that decimal, move it 12 places to the left. So you're going to have this negative 5 and then 11 zeros in front of it, and then the decimal, which means it's 0. That's what that means. If you go to the table, you'll see that point, 2, 0. So I just wanted you to see how to find that point, just in case, if you're wondering, just using a calculator. And that's it.